In this video, I am going to show you how to hard reset your Bosch washing machine. So there is basically no single hard reset method for every Bosch washing machine. Basically, the reset procedure depends on the model. So if you still have the papers that came with your washing machine, it would be better to check those. However, every Bosch model supports a basic power reset, which fixes many temporary software glitches. So if that doesn't work, you will need to follow the on-model specific reset procedure in your user manual that you will find with the box that came with the washing machine. So as an example, to reset your Bosch washing machine, you would like first of all to turn off your washing machine. So press the power button to turn the washing machine off. And if it's as an example in the middle of a cycle, wait until it's safe to stop before turning it off. Then you would like to unplug the machine or unplug the washing machine. Make sure to leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes. This will allow the control board to fully discharge and clears many temporary errors. Then just reconnect the power cord and then press, as example, the power button to turn the machine back on. What you'll have to do now is just run a short test. So select a short cycle such as quick wash, spin, rinse, then click on start. If the machine starts normally, the reset should be successful. And if the error remains, as example, if you still have an error, you would like to check the user manual to your exact model or try to clear the drain filter. Maybe make sure, as example, the water supply is turned on. Maybe check that the door closes properly. Some Bosch models have a model specific control panel reset, while others do not. So yeah, for specific resets or hard resets, you'll need to check your manual that comes with your washing machine. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.